Groups that we're dealing with now.
Yeah, I'm a bass addict.
Bobbing out, knocking pictures off the wall. On the whole 15s, didn't see no wires. And then I heard a boom from the amplifiers.
Yeah, I'm a bass addict.
What's going on, fam? It's your boy BassAddict.
I'm a bass addict.
And then I heard a boom from the amplifiers.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video, I got a couple outside clips of the truck. I actually turned it up a little bit, man. So not gonna be a very long video. Just want to let y'all try to give y'all a good perception on what it sounds like from the outside and all that good stuff. So that's kind of what they're gonna be, man. Next video, I am gonna be finding the peak to the truck. I'm gonna show y'all where the truck peak at. And we're gonna give that meter a shot again and see do we have any gains with the Slapz compared to the high anchor. So if y'all interested in all that, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all know how it go, man. But without further ado, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let's get it.
I'm gonna make her get loose. I got the strap in the cool. Not when we went at the game. I had the strappers. Make a tap out. I'm like, yeah, plastic. She don't even want to touch, she want to get it in. Go ahead, baby, let's get it. Go to my thread. Know that I'm getting it. Sunday, we get this cash. Counting up, I'm smoking it gas. I'm smoking 3.
Now this air idle with the air conditioner blowing, y'all. Air idle with the air conditioner blowing. And this truck do not flex that much. We are at idle, man. Like I say, I don't know what they gonna sound like on that new mic, y'all. The inside of them motherfucker, oh my God. Y'all know what it is when y'all see that. I'm gonna turn the doors off, y'all. The door about to go off. The doors off. Never bass, let's get it. $18.5. It what car I'm gonna drive. That port is on the way, man. Just left Montgomery today. The port on the way, man. It getting nasty. No flipping. I got a lot more to go. I'ma clean this shit right here up. Don't worry about that part. I'ma clean that up. We ain't no but nail clipping.
Just like me. I'm a street nigga, dog. I'm a street nigga, dog. No industry, I'm in these streets. I'm a street nigga, dog. So I love my whip, Porch. A street nigga, my niggas get killed. I'm a street nigga, dog. So I love my block. Pay the jacket 3 pounds just to watch my top. Niggas love me and I love street niggas. Got an out-of-town trap, gon' plus a week, nigga. I'm a street man, I ain't done yet. Standing there line just to wipe my sweat. This nigga good cap, nigga under good chick. Never see street niggas, dog. That's your best bet. Street niggas make a college, put his palace so wet. I'm a project, bitch. The best is gonna get. Street nigga on the year, bro. Yeah, I have to keep. See my wrist, bro. 18G. Shit, you niggas good, dog. What about you? I'm a street nigga, dog. You a street nigga too.
Alright, y'all, look, we gonna cap it all right there, man. I don't want the police to come out here, but if y'all can see, we got the mask on, man. Me and my son just got finished staining our porch. We done pressure washed the porch. We done stained the porch. Huge shots out to Power Smart, man. We done We done pressure washed the porch. Y'all see our little gun down there. We done spray painted the hell out the rails. Then we're gonna get us a brush and we're gonna brush the actual deck of the porch. And yeah, we done refurbished the porch and everything out here. But I just left Montgomery today, y'all. Just holler at the guru himself, Jason McDaniel. If you're in the Montgomery area or close to it, man, and you want your shit to get all like this right here, y'all holler at my partner Jason, man, at the box shop in Montgomery, Alabama, man. Y'all tap in, cause that's the box he built. Them motherfuckers absolutely stupid, bro. Yeah, I got this shit together. I put that shit together. I put bigger subs in it, but this shit would be nothing without the enclosure, man. Holler at my partner Jason at the goddamn box shop if you want your shit rocking like this right here. And this ain't even a half of it, y'all. We still got a long way to go. This ain't even half of it. The door's getting done. I just left from up there today. Today is Saturday. And we about to put the port in it, all that shit, y'all. We got a show, man, and it's September 25th. I will throw the flyer right here, man. When I get more details, I will definitely let you guys know. And if y'all want to hit this motherfucker in person, if y'all want to come chill with BassAddict and just check out the show itself, man, y'all make sure y'all tap in, put the day in and all that. Cause this year, last year, me and my son, both of my sons, we went to the show and we had the 4 high ankles, but they wasn't, it was decent. I'm gonna put it like that. But this year, we coming with a vengeance this year. This motherfucker's on a totally different level. So if y'all want to hear that, feel that, and chill with your boy or whatever, man, check the show out. This is the flyer, September 25th. Put it on your calendar, Montgomery, Alabama, man. And when I get more details, trust me, every video I'm gonna let you guys know. And that's what BassAddict gonna be at, man. I'm putting in a day for work. If I got to be all work or whatever, I'm just gonna put in a day, bro. I'm being there. I'm not gonna let. I ain't gonna lie. Be there or be square, man. For real. If y'all want to check this truck out, put it on your calendar, man. September 25th, Montgomery, Alabama. It's going down, man. Subnoxious, which is the car club that I'm a part of. I gotta get some more decal. But Subnoxious, man, look, he going up, man. We getting us a trophy this year. This is your boy BassAddict checking out with another one. We are September 25th. Go and put that day in if you want to hit this motherfucker or just kick it with BassAddict, man. What you see on camera, what you get in person, bro. No cap.